Hello, I am Ashikur Rahman. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can install Google Analytics in your Shopify website by Google Tag Manager. So in my previous video, I showed how you can install Google Tag Manager in your Shopify site. So I am not going to show you that right now, but you can check my previous tutorial. I will link it in description or in the comment section, so you can check it. So now at first, I will show you how you can create a Google Analytics account. So for that, let's go to analytics.google.com. Here, here I am showing you um, how to create a Google Analytics account. So if you are new, then you may find this page. So click Start Measuring. Now here input your account name. At first you have to create a account, then we will create a property that is also a account under this account. So for the that account will be the account for your website or a specific property that is called property. So if you want to open an account for your website, then that will be called property. So at first write account name, so shopping site account. Okay, click next. Now you have to provide your property name. So I am providing my property name, Shopify shopping site. Now this is the time zone and currency. I'm leaving as it is. You can change it as your requirement. Click next and select your industry. I'm selecting this and also selecting small. You can change or select another if you have these options. Click next. Now select the objective. So if you select this, you cannot select these options, but no, don't worry, it will not harm your tracking. You can track anything. So just select this and click create and accept terms and click web. And because we want to track our website, that's why we have to put click web. Now put your website URL here. So let's put our website URL. Now click click this stream name and input a website name. So what is my website name? I am Shopify site. I'm writing test because it is a demo website, but not a problem. Click create a stream. We are done. So a new window just arrived, and here you can see a measurement ID. Here you can see a measurement ID. It will show you to install this with a partner integration, but we will not do that. We will do this by ourselves with Google Tag Manager. So before that, there is a Google tag. We have to install this tag because it is a latest update from Google that this tag ID is important. So we have to copy this tag ID, then come here, come in Google Tag Manager and click new. Here click tag configuration and find Google Analytics. Under that click Google tag. Now we have to provide the tag ID we just copied. Click here and paste it, and in the triggering click all pages and click save. Okay, I have done our Google Tag Manager setup. Sorry, Google Tag setup. Now come here again and copy the measurement ID and again come to Google Tag Manager and click new tag configuration, Google Analytics, GA4 event and paste it. So as you can see, a Google tag found because we just set up a Google tag. Now also write page underscore view. This is because we want to set up a page view event. So that's why you have to set up the event name and click triggering and all pages and save Google Analytics GA4, and here in bracket we want to write page view event. Click save. We have successfully done. Now the time to check. At first submit it. Why submit? Because after submitting it will help us to check versions. So this is not important, we will discuss it later. Just write GA4 setup and publish. So close this and click next, and from here continue to home, just save it and go to admin. From here find this option debug view. So debug view means we can check our website setup is working or not. In this case our GA4 setup. Now click preview. Paste your website here and click connect. So tag assistant connected, continue. So we can see that Google Analytics GA4 page view event just set up, or that's just fired. So if we go another website and come here, you can see our page view just fired. And also here, just wait a bit. Yes, we can see that page view event fired. So this is how we can set up Google Analytics. So subscribe to get more tutorial like this. Thank you.